Okay, so sharing in a given ratio, we've got Ken and Susan, so the order always matters for ratio. Ken comes first, Susan comes second. And they're sharing £20 in the ratio 1 to 3. 1 for Ken, 3 for Susan. As a picture, that would be a pizza of 4. If you think about it, 1 plus 3 is 4. For every 1 that Ken gets, I can put a little K in Ken's piece. Susan gets the other 3. So, if we need to share out the £20, 20 divided by all those 4 pieces, if you just know the answer, you can just pop it in. So, other than that, you can think about it, do your pizza division, 5 in each piece, 5, 10, 15, 20, because 20 divided by 4 is 5. However, that's not the answer to the question. It says work out how much money each person gets. As you can see in the picture, Ken only has 1 piece, so Ken just has the 5. Susan, however, she has the 3 pieces, she's got that piece, 5, 10, 15. So Susan has 15. Always remember these questions, it's really easy to know that you're correct by just checking. You had £20 to share, and the 5 and the 15 add together to make 20, so that you know you're correct. Okay, so let's just have a look at one more question. So, Alex and Ben were given a total of 240. So again, same process. Alan comes first and Ben comes second for the ratio. And this time they share money in the ratio 5 to 7. So 5 to 7, for every 5 that Alex gets, Ben gets 7. That means altogether there is a total of 12 parts to that ratio. Now, some people get a little bit confused with these questions because it's 12 and they think, how am I going to split a pizza into 12? So if you've got a pizza of 12, obviously you could split it into thirds and then half each third to get 6. And then if you've got 6 pieces and you want to get 12, you could then half each piece. But as you can see, it's not the best pizza, but it could be worse. So you can follow the same process, put 5 A's in the 5 pieces with A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then B in the other 7. So obviously you could just do the pizza really big. Alternatively, if for some reason when you do questions you can't see what pizza to draw, remember there is nothing wrong with just drawing yourself a rectangle and then splitting that into 12 as well. So it's up to you how you do it. 3 fours are 12, so you could do it that way and just do 12 pieces. As long as you get 12 pieces and you know that 4 of them, 5 of them are for the one person, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are for the other. So you could still do the same method. Okay, so sharing it out this time, we had 240 in the question. So we need to share £240 between 12 people. So if you think about this question, you could also write it as an equivalent fraction, 240 divided by 12. And you could do equivalent fractions, or you could type it in your calculator, or you could just think about, actually, what is 24 divided by 12? Well, 24 divided by 12 is 2. But the question isn't 24 divided by 12, it's 240. That's 10 times bigger. So your answer is going to be 10 times bigger. But whichever way you do it, you could have put 10 in each piece, realise that was 120, and then you could do that twice. 20 is going to go in each piece, in all 12 pieces. And always double check it. 12 lots of 20 is definitely 240. So whichever method you do, whether you put 20 in each of the blocks, it's the same process. You'd have 5 lots of 20, so 5 times 20 for the one person, which is Alex. 5 times 20 is 100. So Alex gets 100, whereas 7 times 20 is going to be for Ben, and that's going to give you 140. Same trick, just double check right at the end that you've made no silly mistakes. So 100 plus 40 is definitely 240. So that's how much they both get, but the question, read it, work out how much money Ben received. Ben is that one, so Ben got 140. So it is all about reading the question and making sure you've answered it